Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about the 14 Dalai Lama. Yes, the 14, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Let's do it. The 14 Dalai Lama. We call him the ocean of wisdom. I don't blame you guys, and I know where you are coming from. And I know the history of the church priest stories. You know what I mean. But Dalai Lama and his lifestyle is completely different from the rest. He is the eminent psychologist of the 20th and 21st century. He was born on 6 July 1935. The Dalai Lama described himself as a simple Buddhist monk. He was the spiritual leader of Tibet. The Dalai Lamas are believed to be Avalokiteshvara or Chandrasekhar, the Bodhisattva of compassion and the patron saint of Tibet. Bodhisattvas are realized being inspired by a wish to attain Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings who have vowed to be reborn in the world to help humanity. In 1950, after China's invasion of Tibet, at the age of 16, His Holiness was called upon to assume full responsibility. In 1959, following the brutal suppression of the Tibetan national uprising in Lhasa by Chinese troops, His Holiness was forced to escape into exile. Since then, he has been living in Dharamsala, northern India. From there, he set up Tibetan schools, democracy, exile government, and monastery institutions. In September 2001, he was semi-retired. In May 29, 2011, His Holiness signed the documents formally transferring his temporal authority to the democratically elected leader. In so doing, he formally put an end to the 368 years old tradition of the Dalai Lama's functioning as both the spiritual and temporal head of Tibet. His Holiness has traveled to more than 67 countries, spanning 6 continents. He is a champion of peace, love, and compassion. He has received over 150 awards, honorary doctorates, including World Nobel Prize, and you name it, in recognition of his message of peace, non-violence, interreligious understanding, universal responsibility, and compassion. He has also authored or co-authored more than 110 books. Since the mid-1980s, His Holiness has engaged in a dialogue with modern scientists, mainly in the field of psychology, neurobiology, quantum physics, and cosmology. This has led to a historic collaboration between Buddhist monks and world-renowned scientists in trying to help individuals achieve peace of mind. It has also resulted in the addition of modern science to the traditional curriculum of a Tibetan monastic institution re-established in exile. Today, Dalai Lama is nearly 88 years old, lived simply his whole life with no fancy kind of stuff or toys, anything you name it. And he's devoted his life not only for Tibetans, but for the humanity. He treat equal to everyone. I can tell you that no one is above him. We must respect and honor him. The recent viral video, that 20-second edited version, was not true at all. It was propaganda. CCP has been trying to put His Holiness the Dalai Lama down for the last 70 years. They tried and tried. They're afraid of only one person in this world. That is His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Please, if you can help, at least do not harm him. And I request, please go and watch the full video and you will understand. Thank you very much.